58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56.
Yeah, I don't think that's not true.
1, 2. Very importantly and very significant is for me to have the privilege as the Chief Returning Officer of the 2021 PDP convention election to announce and declare His Excellency Senator Dr. Iyorcha Ayu as duly elected and returned as the national chairman of our great. With this, I, Honorable Ahmadu Umar Fintri, as the Chief Returning Officer of the 2021 election, hereby declare all the 21 offices as mentioned declared by their names as winners. May God bless you all. Thank you.
All right. We will now. DJ, thank you. Thank you so very much.
I'm after 4.
They don't break.
No, just here, make I go put this one. That's all.
It's just like that's how it is. 'Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses.
All right.
And vision, oh, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions.
If we continue this champagne thing, we will bring down this podium now. PDP! 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 Chairman of Convention, Acting National Chairman of the party, His Excellencies, the Governors of the great PDP family, former Vice President, former Senate President, former Speakers, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I want to sincerely appreciate the PDP family. Today is simply a thank you address. When we started this party 23, 24 years ago, we never in any way imagined that the journey will get us to this stage. A stage where We ruled for 16 years. We went into rough times. But for anybody who will bother to see, PDP is back. PDP is back. And is back to rescue Nigeria from the terrible mess we have been in the last 6 years. I want to appreciate all of you who have taken time as delegates, as observers, as supporters, as members of the media, as members of the security services who have made this event such a wonderful event. Many people imagine that this convention will lead to this breakup of the PDP. Those people who were dreaming like that, they were dreaming in Wonderland. Their dreams were misplaced. We have come out stronger. We are united. We are determined to come back where PDP belongs. This is the real party in Nigeria. The other one is a contraption. It doesn't exist. And I want to assure you that in a few days or few weeks' time, you will see the mammoth crowds that will come back to PDP in every state. Those Nigerians who have lost hope should today know that Nigeria is not a divided country. A small group of people decided to divide Nigeria. PDP will come back, unite our people, put them together, north and south, east and west. We will move ahead to develop this country. We did it before, we are going to do it again. I want to thank the governors, I want to thank the delegates, I want to thank our supporters, and every single person who has made this event such a huge success. I believe the other party can never hold a convention because even state congresses they can't hold. They have produced 92 state chairmen for 36 states. How can they hold a convention? We are waiting. It is a challenge to them. Let them come and hold such a successful convention which the PDP has done. This is a quick notice. PDP is back and is taking back the country. We will develop it, and I thank you all.
That this convention adjourns sine die. Those in support, can you say aye? Aye. Those against, can you say nay? The ayes have it. This convention is hereby adjourned sine die. May God bless us all.
National anthem, please. Nigeria's gonna be to serve our fatherland with love and strength and faith.
for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.